Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the April mystery. I am so excited for this one. It's been in the works for so long and it's just so stinking beautiful. There is also a new foil bundle design with this and I'm very excited for it. I will say though that if you are looking for this kit, you have to check out the buy sell trade group. We'll come to the shop in 1 year. If you sign up next month, spots will open on the 1st of April. That will be for a different mystery kit, exclusive art as always though. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is a grocery store theme and I am obsessed with this. I think this idea was Hannah's idea and I love it. I love all of the bright colors with a mix of black. It's a very anytime kit. I'll go to the grocery store. I just think the grocery store is such a fun time. I wish I had this kit for whenever the H-E-B near me opened up because I would have totally used it. It was like in the works and planned obviously, but I am just so obsessed with the way it turned out, art by dusk, and it's just so good. So you have like a top view of inside a shopping cart. You have a little grocery bag with things kind of like falling out of it, a grocery cart, the produce section, which I love how everything's like all like organized neatly. It never looks like that, let's be real. And then you have some flowers and some foods along with the aisles all perfectly organized, and some Fruit Loops and ice cream because cereal and ice cream is always on my shopping list. So those are the full boxes. And then how fun are these colors? I'm obsessed. So stinking cute. I think it'd be really fun. Obviously you'll see that the foil that I picked to go with it is black, but I feel like also a blue foil would be really fun, or a purple to pull those colors in. But I'm obsessed with these colors, very fun for spring. And then you have like scroll prints go on the front of a very like modern looking grocery store. It'd be cute to do like an opening so it like opens up and you can see the inside of the grocery store. Love that. And then the papers are by Jess, which are super cute with like the smiley faces, the argyle, the paint swatches, and the flowers. I haven't filmed in like 2 weeks, I'm not gonna lie. Well, it feels like it at least. And then you have the bottom washi, which is a really fun like grid pattern with the blue, which I am obsessed, which is not one of the colors in here, but it's the extra color, but it's in enough that I think it's gonna look really good as the bottom washi. And then you have a grocery list, the little grocery receipt, some coupons, and then a wallet there as well. Extra color here is the like orangey tangerine color along with the doodles, and then you have more boxes here. So you do have the tall box, and then you have the fashion options here as well. So obsessed with these, so stinking cute. So that is the main kit here, which is adorable. Then we also do have the foil bundle, which like I said is a new like design, I guess, and this is going to be called Pixie Dust, and I think this is going to be so fun. This is a, where's my flashlight? Let me show you on this one. Of course, we got some sparkle there. It's like a chunkier confetti, so pretty. Let's go ahead and go through this. So you do have the full boxes here. So you have the opposite corners, the 4 corners, the stroke box, and then the one with the line here. Super pretty with the glitter header overlays. This is perfect for this kit, I think, with having the black, with all the black accents, but obviously you could save it and use it with other kits as well. And then you have the bottom washi, not bottom washi, oh my goodness, the bougie boxes, which is in the new Pixie Dust design, and it's so stinking pretty. Goes with literally everything. And then you have the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi deco date numbers, and then you do have the new page here with the hole reinforcers. Please focus, my darling. Hole reinforcers and the 3 headers on the bottom. So that is everything for the ultimate kit, and I am so obsessed. Let's go ahead and flip through the mini kit as well. And here she is. Okay, we do have the same full boxes, the deco page, the glitter headers, the label sampler, the 15mm bottom washi strips, and then the extra page here has an extra color and the label sampler along with the matte foiled freebie in hollow. And that is the mini kit. And then let's go into the add-ons. These will be listed in the shop. I was going to list them as soon as this video goes live, but I think I'm going to wait to list them until the 1st, just so that if you were looking to get your hands on March, you have more time to do so. And then I will, on the 1st, take down the March extras, and then we'll list the April. So let's go ahead and go through those real quick. And then I wanted to show you something that is going to be changing. I'm just pulling up the thing to see what color. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and go into the add-ons. So these are going to be listed in the shop. Currently, the March ones are. You can check those out on the new release section. And these are going to be items if you want to add on in the colorway. And y'all have been loving the March ones. So you have the Doodle, Doodle 2, Fashion Boxes, Label, Ombre, Label 2, Label 3, Pattern Boxes, and then you do have all 6 of these scribblers if you want to add those on to any of your in-shop orders to bulk up this kit even more. Those will be available on the 1st in shop. And then I just wanted to show you this, and this is gonna look a little confusing. So starting in July, this is gonna be the new Ultimate and mini kit freebie. So the mini kit is no longer going to have like the extra color label sampler. The most requested thing is like more boxes in the mini. And then the other thing that I noticed the most used as far as kit add-ons in shop is Doodle. So I'm going to be switching it up, and I am going to be doing this as the freebie in the Ultimate and the mini. And then the Ultimate's going to have like a very like things that can kind of switch in and switch out as like a second freebie. This will be the mini kit freebie. It's going to be a tall box, 2 regular boxes, and then the doodles. I just printed it out like this so that it wasn't like there was no art to spoil anything, but I just want to be able to show you this. And I will show it in the next couple of months, but this will start in July, which I'm very excited about to be able to have these in the mini. So that will be the new freebie and Ultimate mini. And then like I said, for Ultimate, I'm going to be able to just kind of like play around with what I want the other freebie item to be. It might be foil, it might be a sticker sheet. We will see. But that is everything for this month's mystery. And I will talk to y'all in my next video.